This is for educational use only. Our group grants permission for our instructor, Mr. Roldan Ardines, to use this as educational material.
Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the spiritual self. The spiritual self is the part of ourselves that is connected to our beliefs, values, purpose, and meaning in life. It is the part of us that asks questions like, why am I here? Why is my purpose? And what do I believe in? Spirituality is not only about religion. It is also about how we understand ourselves, how we treat other people, and how we find peace and happiness in life. For example, some people find spirituality through prayer, some through helping others, and some through personal reflection. The spiritual self is important because it helps guide our decisions and our behavior. It helps us know what is right and wrong, and helps us stay strong when we face problems. It also helps us develop hope and positive mindset even during difficult times. Understanding our spiritual selves helps us become more aware of who we really are, and what we want to become in the future.
One way people develop their spiritual self is through religion. Religion is a set of beliefs, practices, and traditions that connect people to a higher power like God. Religion also teaches values such as kindness, respect, forgiveness, and honesty. Many people also believe in supernatural beings or powers. There are forces that cannot be seen or explained by science. Examples include spirits, deities, or higher beings. These beliefs often influence how people understand events in their lives. For example, when something good happens, some people believe it is a blessing. When they face challenges, they believe it is a test of faith. Because of this, spirituality can help people stay strong and hopeful. Even if people have different religions, the main goal is often the same, which is to help people become better individuals and live meaningful lives.
In Filipino culture, there is a belief called dungan. Dungan means the spirit or soul of a person. It is believed to be the source of our life, energy, and inner strength. According to traditional beliefs, a person with a strong dungan is a confident, brave, and has a strong presence. Meanwhile, a weak dungan may be associated with fear or lack of confidence. This shows how our ancestors believed that our spirit affects our personality and behavior. Even today, this idea reminds us that our inner strength is important. It teaches us that confidence does not only come from physical strength but also from our inner self. This concept helps us understand that the spiritual self is not just about religion but also about inner courage and confidence and emotional strength.
Rituals and ceremonies are also part of the spiritual self. Rituals are activities that people do to express their beliefs and traditions. These can be religious or cultural practices. The function of rituals is help to people to express their faith, remember important events, and feel connected to their community. For example, prayer is a ritual that helps people communicate with God. Baptism are ceremonies that mark important life events. Rituals can also give comfort to people, especially during sad moments like funerals. They help people express emotions and feel supported from others. Through rituals and ceremonies, we can see how spirituality helps people stay connected not only to their beliefs, but also their family and communities.
Religion, magic, and witchcraft are different ways people try to understand the unseen world. Religion focuses on worship and faith in a higher power. Magic is sometimes believed to the use of supernatural forces to influence events. Witchcraft is often connected to traditional belief about spiritual powers. In the past, many societies used this belief to explain things they could not understand, like disease or natural events. While this belief may be different, They all show how humans try to find explanation and meaning in life. This also show that spirituality has always been part of human history because people naturally want to believe in something greater than themselves. Understanding these ideas help us respect different cultures and beliefs even if they are different from our own.
There are three common ways people discover a meaning in life. First is through good actions. This means finding purpose by helping others, doing your responsibilities, and contributing something positive to society. Second is through experiences. People can find meaning through love, friendship, family, and even simple happy moments. These experiences make life feel valuable and worth living. Third is through the attitude we show during difficult times. Even when life is hard, some people choose to stay strong and positive. This shows that sometimes meaning comes from how we handle our struggles. These three ways reminds us that meaning in life is not only about success, but also about how we live, how we love, and how we overcome challenges.
In conclusion, the spiritual self is an important part of our identity because it helps us understand our belief, values, and purpose. It helps us become more aware of who we are and what kind of person we want to be. Spirituality is important because it gives us hope, strength, and guidance, especially during difficult situations. It also helps us reflect on our action and improve ourselves. By understanding our spiritual self, we can better understand our identity and how the different aspects of ourselves work together. This includes our physical, emotional, social, and spiritual aspects. Overall, understanding our spiritual self helps us grow as a person and live a more meaningful and purposeful life.